Okay, students, today I am going to give one more important theorem in examination point of view of Cauchy's integral theorems. One of the most important theorem in complex integral theorems is generalization of Cauchy's integral formula. This also called as Cauchy's integral formula for derivatives of analytic function, or Cauchy's integral formula for derivatives, simply we can say. This one also without proof. So for short question, examiner may ask, state the Cauchy's integral formula for derivatives or state the Cauchy's generalization formula. He may ask like that. Then in that case, we have to write statement curve C and A is any interior point of C, then Fn A is equal to n factorial by 2 pi I integral over C f of z by z minus A whole power n plus 1 into dz. I will explain this statement once again. If f of z is analytic within and on a simple closed curve C. See, simple closed curve C, this is. In general, in problems, circles will become, or rectangular boundaries will become, or square boundaries will become, or triangle boundaries will become like this. Simple closed curve. And A is an interior point of C. Here f of z is analytic within and on a simple closed curve C. Within and on this boundary and inside the curve. Inside the curve. A is any interior point of C. Inside point. A is any interior point of C. Then nth derivative of f at A, Fn A is equal to n factorial by 2 pi I integral over C f of z by z minus A whole power n plus 1 into dz. But coming to examination problems, he will ask only this form. Evaluate using Cauchy's integral formula. Here also he will ask Cauchy's integral formula. Previous theorem is also Cauchy's integral formula. This one also Cauchy's integral formula. You have to identify, later I will tell you how to identify formula for the problem. In examination, examiner will ask evaluate this type of integral. That is why this one only I am writing here into dz is equal to 2 fnth derivative of A, same as write down, n factorial by 2 pi I. If it comes this side, automatically numerator denominator will be changed like this. 2 pi I by n factorial nth derivative of f at A. This is n equal to 0, 1, 2. Now you may ask one doubt, sir, how can I find suitable formula for the problem to use, whether Cauchy's integral formula or Cauchy's integral formula for derivatives? See students, whenever you have under denominator without power means more than one power, in that case only you have to use Cauchy's integral formula for derivatives. Once again I will repeat, integral over C f of z by, whenever you have denominator more than one power, then you have to use Cauchy's integral formula for derivatives to solve such type of problems. Here I will show you one example. Applications. Example 1. Evaluate integral over C z cube plus z square plus 2z minus 1 by z minus 1 whole cube dz, where C is the circle mod z is equal to 3. Where C is the circle mod z is equal to 3, using Cauchy's integral formula. Here he did not mention any Cauchy's integral formula for derivatives, but here Cauchy's integral formula. You yourself have to decide to which one suitable one for this problem. Here we have more than one power. That is why you have to come this formula. Here you have to use Cauchy's integral formula for derivatives. Now solution I will explain. Integral over C z cube plus z square plus 2z minus 1 by z minus 1 whole cube dz is given, where c is the circle, mod z is equal to 3. It is complex plane circle. Mod z is equal to 3 is the circle in complex plane. Coming to real plane, it will come like this. Mod z means mod of x plus iy. Mod x plus iy means under root of x square plus y square is equal to 3. When you square both sides, you get x square plus y square is equal to 3 square. If you draw real plane, so center, it is a circle equation. Mod z is equal to 3 is a circle equation whose center at 0 0 with radius 3 units. So 0 0 3 units distance, right side positive side, left side negative side, upward positive, downward negative you have to take. Coming to complex plane, it is real axis, it is imaginary axis. 1 2 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 I 2i 3i minus I minus 2i minus 3. Anyhow, all radius means here from origin to any point on the boundary 3 units distance will be there because radius is 3. Okay. Now you find the singular points. What is Cauchy's integral formula for derivatives? If f of z is analytic within and on a simple closed curve C and A is an interior point of C, this point also you have to note here, then integral over C f of z by z minus A whole power n plus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi I by n factorial fn A. Now here singular point, it is nothing but singular point. Z minus 1 equal whole cube equal to 0, z is equal to 1, that is equal to 0. It is singular point. Z minus 1 equal to 0, z is equal to 1 is a singular point. Why? Because f of z is not analytic at this point. So then the point is z is equal to 1. Here point A can be found, means singular point can be found by equating denominator value to 0. Now z equal to 1. It lies inside the circle or lies outside the circle. To check, same procedure you can follow how you have proceed in Cauchy's integral formula. In that, like that, here also you can follow. Mod z is equal to 3 kada. Now you consider this one. Mod z is equal to mod 1 is equal to 1. 1 less than 3. So that here if you see figure, 1 unit distance, either this side or this side or this side or this side, it is lying completely inside the circle. Therefore the point z is equal to 1 lies inside the circle. Now put f of z is equal to numerator value z cube plus z square plus 2z minus 1, which is analytic in the circle and on the boundary of the circle also. We have Cauchy's integral formula. Integral over C f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi I by n factorial nth derivative of a. So therefore by using this, now to get the cube here, what should I substitute for n? Here you have to see n should be 2. So if n is equal to 2, then integral over C f of z by z minus 1 whole cube 2 plus 1 3 dz is equal to 2 pi I by n factorial means 2 factorial f double dash 1, because of second order derivative you have to take f double dash 1. Why 1? Here this is equal to a, lies inside the circle, that is a, lies inside the circle, this is a, you can keep in your mind. So f of a is equal to a equal to 1. Now f double dash 1, f of z known to you. Now f dash z 3z square plus 2z plus 2, derivation of minus 1 0. Another next time once more you differentiate this function, 6z plus 2, this value is 0. So f double dash 1 value 6 into 1 6 plus 2 8. So 2 pi I by 2 factorial into 8. So 2 get cancelled, 8 pi I. This is the answer. So I think you have understood when we have to use Cauchy's integral formula for derivatives, ordinary Cauchy's integral formula. Right. Now I will explain second example. Please listen to me. Now second example, evaluate integral integral dz by integral over c dz by z square plus 4 whole square, z square plus 4 whole square, where c is the circle mod z minus I is equal to 2. Here center is I comma 0, radius is 2 units. Here I will show here x axis, y axis. It is center of this one is I comma 0, here I, and radius is 2 units. So here like this will come, every distance is 2 units from here, I comma 0, 2 unit distance will come when it is center. Okay, now here you see the solution. Integral over c dz by z square plus 4 whole square is given, where c is this circle. Now singular point of this function you find out. Z square plus 4 whole square equal to 0, z square plus 4 equal to 0, z square is equal to minus 4, z is equal to plus or minus under root of minus 4 is equal to plus or minus 2i. This can be written as z square plus 4 whole square is equal to z plus 2i once, second time z minus 2i whole square. So z square plus 4 you can write z plus 2i, z minus 2i whole square. Now you have to check z is equal to 2i whether it lies inside the circle or outside the circle. Similarly z is equal to minus 2i also you have to check. If z is equal to 2i, then mod z minus I is equal to z is equal to 2i minus I is equal to under root of 1 square, that is equal to 1. So it is less than 2. So z is equal to 2i lies inside the circle. If z is equal to minus 2i, then mod of z minus I you consider left hand side, this one, minus 2i minus I, that is mod of minus 3i, it is equal to under root of minus 3 whole square, it is mod root of 9 is equal to 3. See how I wrote under root of minus 3, mod of x plus I y is equal to under root of x square plus y square. Here real part is 0, that is why I have not written here 0 square plus minus 3 whole square. So under root of 9 is equal to 3, 3 greater than 2. Therefore z is equal to minus 2i lies outside the circle. Here one point lies inside the circle, one point is lies inside the circle. Same procedure which I taught in Cauchy's integral formula application, same as you can proceed here also. Integral over c, here also you can write z plus 2i whole square, z minus 2i whole square, because here z square plus 4 whole square, I will show you, z square plus 4 whole square equal to z plus 2i into z minus 2i whole square is there. That is why here I have written z plus 2i whole square into z minus 2i whole square. This is equal to point which lies outside you merge with numerator. This can be written as like this, 1 by 2 plus 2i z plus 2i whole square. Point which lies inside the circle you write under denominator. This total function you take as f of z by z minus 2i whole square. Now it is integral over c f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 form. Some more than 1 power is there. That is why what formula should we use here? Cauchy's integral formula for derivatives you have to use. Integral over c f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi I a by n factorial fnth derivative of a. Now f of z is equal to which we have numerator, that is 1 by z plus 2i whole square. Now our formula is integral over c dz by z square plus 4 whole square. We can write this is equal to like this, 2 pi I. To get the square term here, what should I take n value? N is equal to 1 is enough. So n is equal to 1 factorial, f dash 2i, a is equal to 2i here. What is where this is a inside the point, inside point. So 2i, f dash 2i, f dash z is equal to minus 2 by z plus 2i whole cube. Integral over c dz by z square plus 4 whole square is equal to 2 pi I into f dash 2i value minus 2 by z equal to 2i, substitute 2i plus 2i 4i whole cube minus 4 pi I 4i whole cube minus 4 pi I 4 whole power 4 3 means 64, I cube means I square into I minus I, you can write pi by 16, 4/16. So this is final answer. This is second problem. Now I'll show you third problem here. Evaluate integral over c e power 2z by z plus 1 whole power 4 dz, where c is mod z is equal to 2. Integral over c e power 2z by z plus 1 whole power 4 dz is given, and c is mod z is equal to 2. C is mod z equal to 2 means this one. Mod z is equal to 2. Mod of x plus iy is equal to 2. Under root of x square plus y square equal to 2. Squaring both sides. X square plus y square equal to 2 square. It is a circle equation whose center at 0, 0 with radius 2 units distance. 2 units distance in all directions. Now singular point you find out. Z plus 1 whole power 4 equal to 0. Z plus 1 equal to 0. Z is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is also lies inside this circle. Why? Because left hand side when you come this side, 2 units distance will come because radius is 2. This side also 2 units you have to take. This side also 2 units. This side also 2 units. This side also 2 units. This is positive side. This is negative side. Minus 1, minus 2 will come. Minus 1 is also lying inside the circle. Mod z is equal to 2. Mod z is equal to 2. Therefore, we have now which formula should I use here? Here we have more than 1 power 4. So Cauchy's integral formula you write down. We have Cauchy's integral formula, integral over c f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi I by n factorial f of nth derivative of a. Same one. A is equal to what here? This is a. Okay, interior point. So integral over c f of z by z minus z plus 1. Why? Here given z plus 1 whole power 4 dz is equal to e power. F of z is equal to e power 2z by z plus 1 whole power 4. Numerator value always you take as f of z. F of z equal to e power 2z, which is analytic everywhere. On the boundary inside the circle also there is no need to write every time. Directly also you can do like this, e power 2z. Integral over c e power 2z by z plus 1. What should I choose to get 4 here? For n 3. N equal to 3 plus 1 dz 2 pi I by 3 factorial in formula f triple dash minus 1. Now f of z known to you. F of z is equal to e power 2z. Here I will show you. Now f dash z is equal to 2 into e power 2z, first derivation. Coming to second derivation, 2 to the 4 e power 2z. Coming to third derivation, 2 4 the 8 e power 2z. Now f triple dash minus 1 value 8 into e power 2 into minus 1. So 8 into e power minus 2. Then required answer write down. Integral over c e power 2z by z plus 1 whole power 4 dz is equal to 2 pi I by here 6. Why 6? 3 factorial here. 3 factorial value, because of 3 factorial value 3 into 2 into 1. That is why 6 I have written. Into f triple dash minus 1 value 8 into e power minus 2. So 2 3 is 6. So 8 pi I 3 e power minus 2, take this to denominator. Then this is the final answer. Next, same problem which is same as previous one. You observe here. Evaluate using Cauchy's integral formula, integral over c z by z minus 2 into z minus 3 whole square dz, where c is the circle mod z minus 3 is equal to half. Here evaluate using Cauchy's integral formula. See, Cauchy's integral formula for derivatives, both are same. In derivatives we have the power z minus a whole power n plus 1. In an ordinary formula, integral over c f of z by z minus a only is there. You observe the difference between these two, but in examination he will ask only using Cauchy's integral formula. You only have to decide which one is suitable for the given problem by seeing the denominator power. It is more than one power, then you have to go for Cauchy's integral formula for derivatives. Now coming to this problem, if integral over c z by z minus 2 into z minus 3 whole square dz is given, where c is also circle, mod z minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2. See, what is the center of this? 3 comma 0, radius is 1 by 2. Now singular points. To get the singular points where f of z is not analytic, to find the singular point you have to equate to 0 this denominator. Z is equal to 2, z equal to 3. Now you have to check which one lies inside the circle, which one lies outside the circle. If z is equal to 2, you consider left hand side of the circle, mod z minus 3, mod 2 minus 3, mod minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 greater than 1 by 2. So it lies outside the circle. If z is equal to 3, then 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3, mod 0. 0. It is less than 1 by 2. It is inside the circle, it is outside the circle. That is why written here clearly. Therefore, z is equal to 2 lies outside the circle and z is equal to 3 lies inside the circle. As I told in previous problem, integral over c z by z minus 2 into z minus 3 whole square dz is equal to integral over c, point which lies outside the circle merge with numerator z by z minus 2, by point which lies inside the circle you write under denominator z minus 3 whole square dz. This is nothing but equal to f of z by z minus 3 whole square dz, where f of z is equal to this complete numerator z by z minus 2 taken. Now which formula we have to take? Power more than 1 you have here. Power more than 1 you have. That is why Cauchy's integral formula for derivatives we have to use. Integral over c f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 into dz. This is equal to 2 pi I by n factorial f of nth derivative of a. What is a here? Z is equal to 3. This is a now, because lies inside the circle. That you have to consider as a. Now what should I choose for n to get the power 2 here? Already 1 is there, n equal to 1 you have to choose. Now you check here, z by z minus 2 by z minus 3 whole square dz is equal to 2 pi I integral over c z by z minus 2 whole by z minus 3 whole square dz is equal to 2 pi I by 1 factorial f dash 3. Why f dash 3? A value is 3. Here a value is 3. So f dash value, what is f of z? Z by z minus 2. U by v formula you have to use. This is f of z. U by v formula. V into u dash z minus 2 into z differentiation 1 minus z into z minus 2 differentiation with respect to z1 by z minus 2 whole square. Now f dash 3 equal to 3 minus 2, z is equal to 3, substitute 3 minus 2 minus 3 by 3 minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 you get, substitute here minus 2 value. Integral over c z by z minus 2 z minus 3 whole square dz is equal to 2 pi I, 1 factorial means 1, f dash 3 value minus 2, so minus 4 pi I. This is final problem under type 1. Now now you can observe type 2 problems under Cauchy's integral formula for derivatives. Use Cauchy's integral formula to evaluate integral over c e power z by z square plus pi square whole square dz, where C is the circle, mod z is equal to 4. This is the circle equation. This is the circle equation. Now coming to this problem, we have z square plus pi square whole square. You have to be very careful this type of problem. It is very important in your examination point of view also. Integral over C e power z by z square plus pi square whole square dz is given, where C is the circle, mod z is equal to 4. Singular points are given by, you equate to this denominator value 0. Z square plus pi square whole square equal to 0. Then z square plus pi square equal to 0. Z square is equal to minus pi square. Z is equal to plus or minus pi I. Here 2 points we got. Here z is equal to pi I and z is equal to minus pi I are the two singular points. Now of these 2 points, which one lies inside the circle, which one lies outside the circle, you check here. If z is equal to pi I, then you consider left hand side, mod z is equal to mod pi I under root of pi square, square root get cancelled. Here pi is not an angle, it is a real number, that is why 22 by 7, 3.14, it is less than 1. So z is equal to pi is less than 3.14, less than 4. That is why z equal to pi I. Here 4, radius is 4 here. See here. This is the circle. This is the circle of mod z is equal to 4. So 4 units distance, left, right side, left side, positive, negative, positive, negative. 4 unit distance will become. So z equal to 3.14. No, it lies inside the circle. So this is inside the circle. Now coming to this is lying inside the circle. Coming to z equal to minus pi I, then mod minus pi equal to under root of pi square. So here also you get only 22 by 7. This one also lying inside the circle. So integral over C e power z by z square plus pi square dz is equal to e power z by z square plus pi square. You can write z minus pi I into z plus pi I. If you take this side, z minus pi I. If you take this side, z plus pi I. Z plus pi I into z minus pi I whole square dz. Integral e power z by z plus pi I whole square into z minus pi I whole square dz. Here 2 factors are there under denominator and 2 are lying inside the circle. 2 points are also lying inside the circles. In that case, not only for this problem, when 2 points are lying inside the circles, then immediately you have to go for partial fractions. You have to go for partial fractions. Now I'll show you. Now see here, 1 by z plus pi I whole square into z minus pi I is equal to partial fractions. We can write how? This one also square. Here should be square. A by z plus pi I plus b by z plus pi I whole square plus c by z minus pi I plus d by z minus pi I whole square. So after taking LCM, this side also z plus pi I whole square, z minus pi I whole square will become a into z plus pi I into z minus pi I whole square plus b into these 2 get cancelled, z minus pi I whole square plus c into 1 z minus pi I get cancelled, z minus pi I into z plus pi I whole square plus d into z minus pi I get cancelled, z plus pi I whole square get cancelled. So both sides we can delete this one, that is known to you. To find a, b, c, d values, you observe here, if z is equal to pi I, if you substitute z equal to pi I here, both sides, 0, pi I minus pi 0, here also pi I minus pi I 0, here also pi I minus pi I 0. Here only you get pi I plus pi I whole square into d, d into pi I plus pi I whole square equal to 1, only we have 1, this side. Substituting both sides, z equal to pi I, no, here no z value, that is why 1. So 2 pi I is equal to minus 2 pi square means 4 pi square, I square equal to minus 4 pi square d is equal to 1. D is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi square. D value we got here. Similarly, now you substitute if z is equal to minus pi I. Z equal to minus pi I taking both sides. Now minus pi I is minus pi I plus pi I 0, 0 into something 0. Similarly, z equal to minus pi I 0, z is equal to minus pi I 0. Only we get this one. Minus pi I minus 2 pi I whole square. B into minus 2 pi I whole square is equal to 1. Minus square means positive. 2 pi square means 4 pi square. I square means minus is equal to 1. B equal to minus 1 by 4 pi square. Now D value, B value we got here. Now if z equal to 0, then we get what, sir? 0, 0 pi I into minus pi I whole square. And minus pi I whole square is equal to minus pi square into I pi minus pi cube I into A. Here also 0, 0 minus pi I whole square equal to minus pi square minus of minus whole square, no, 0 minus pi square minus into minus this one plus, sorry, this is separate, no, sorry, okay, just a minute. Z is equal to minus pi I. Minus pi I means minus 2 pi I whole square. Minus 2 pi I whole square, sorry, 0 we are substituting, no, here, right. Z equal to 0 minus pi I whole square is equal to minus whole square pi square minus pi square B plus Z equal to 0, Z equal to 0, here pi I whole square means pi square plus into minus minus pi cube pi I square, 0, no, pi I square means minus pi square minus into minus plus pi cube I C minus 0 pi I square means d pi square d equal to 1. This is first equation, keep in our mind. Again comparing both sides coefficients of z cube. Only here and here only will come z cube coefficient. Z cube into A, Z cube into C, A plus C equal to, comparing both sides coefficients of z cube. We don't have z cube, that is why 0. A plus C equal to 0. Then A equal to minus C. Now pi cube I were here in this equation from 1. Pi cube I, here pi cube I am taking common from these two. C minus A we can write is equal to 1 plus pi b square, take this side, plus pi d square, take this side. 1 plus pi square into minus 1 by 4 pi square b value minus 1 by 4 pi square d square value we have substituted. Pi square get cancelled, pi square get cancelled. 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus, here LCM is 4. 4 minus 1 by 4, 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. Otherwise directly minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. This is. Now pi cube by C minus A is equal to 1 by 2. C minus A is equal to, take this side, 2 pi cube into I. Now this is third equation. A plus C equal to 0. Here C plus A equal to 0 from 2. This is from second equation. And third equation is, this is C minus A equal to 2 pi I cube. Now you adding these two. Here I will show you. Second equation is A plus C, that is nothing but C plus A equal to 0. Third equation is here C minus A equal to 1 by 2 pi cube into I. See, adding these two, plus A minus A get cancelled, 2C is equal to 1 by 2 pi cube I. Now C equal to 1 by 4 pi cube I. This is the value. Next to A equal to minus C, that is why A equal to minus 1 by 4 pi cube I. Now using all these values in this, here A, B, C, D values you have to substitute in this, A, B, C, D values. Now I will show you. 1 by z square plus pi square equal to A value substituted plus B value substituted plus C value substituted, D value substituted. A value minus 1 by 4 cube I, like this. Now multiplying both sides by e power z, and taking integration over c. E power z by z square plus pi square whole square. Here minus 1 by 4 pi cube by constant. E power z by z plus pi I dz minus 1 by 4 pi square integral over c e power z by z plus pi I whole square dz plus integral 1 by pi cube by integral over c e power z by z minus pi I dz minus 1 by 4 pi square integral over c e power z by z minus pi I whole square. All constants taken from each fraction outside and z terms kept inside the integration. Now here we have to use two formula. Denominators we have only with one power and more than one power also. Here you have to use two formulae. Cauchy's integral formula, general Cauchy's integral formula, this is integral over c f of z by z minus a dz is equal to 2 pi I a when a is an interior point. Another one, integral over c f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz is equal to 2 pi I by n factorial into fn a. Using these two in star, two formulae you have to use in this calculations. Here f of z is equal to e power z, f dash z is equal to e power z. Now integral over c e power z by z square plus pi square whole square dz is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi I cube. See here, minus 1 by 4 pi cube I. Here ordinary integration, pi I minus pi I lies inside the circle, z plus pi I equal to 0, z is equal to minus pi I. See here, z equal to minus pi. So power 1 is there. This formula I am using, Cauchy's integral formula, f of 2 pi I into f of minus pi I. Minus 1 by 4 pi square. Here 2 is there. N equal to 1 we have to choose. Z is equal to minus pi I. So f dash 2 pi I into f dash minus pi I and minus 1 by 4 pi square, same thing. Plus 1 by 4 pi cube I. Here 1 power is there. This formula you have to use 2 pi I into f of z. F of a. F of a, z equal to pi I, f of pi I, minus 1 by 4 pi square, 2 pi I into 2 is there, n equal to 1 we have to write in this formula, second formula, 2 pi I by 1 factorial f dash pi I. So after say f of z known to you, e power z, f dash z also known to you, e power z. So substitute here, minus 2 pi I, 2 get cancelled, 2 pi square, e power minus pi minus 1 by 2 pi I, here 2 ja, pi get cancelled, e power minus pi, same simplification you do like this. 1 by 2 pi square I am taking outside, e power pi I minus e power minus pi I minus I by 2 pi you take common, e power pi I plus e power minus pi I. This is equal to 1 by 2 pi I, e power pi I means cos pi plus I sin pi minus e power minus pi I means cos pi minus I sin pi. So cos pi get cancelled, 1 by 2 pi I into 2I sin pi minus e power pi I means cos pi plus I sin pi plus e power minus pi I is equal to cos pi minus I sin pi. Plus I sin pi minus I sin pi get cancelled, cos pi 2 cos pi. Here 2 gets cancelled, same. Sin pi value 0. So that is why 0 into something 0 minus I by pi, cos pi value minus 1, cos pi value minus 1. So that is why this value is e power z by z square plus pi square whole square into dz is equal to I by pi. This is your answer. This problem is very important, keep in your mind. And next and last problem, this type of problem also generally important, keep in your mind. Find f of 4, comma, f of I, comma, f dash minus 1 and f double dash minus I, where f of a equal to, now instead of giving ordinary integration denoted by f of a, keep in your mind, f of a is equal to integral over c 4z square plus z plus 5 by z minus a into dz, where c is the ellipse, x by 2 plus y by 3 whole square is equal to 1. Here ellipse equation given in real plane. This can be drawn easily. On x-axis 2 units distance this side and this side. On y-axis 3 units distance this side and this side. And draw the ellipse like this. Draw the ellipse like this. This is the ellipse. This is the ellipse. Now to find f of 4, first value, here you take a equal to 4 here. If you take a equal to 4 here, f of 4 is equal to 4z square plus z plus 5 by z minus a, z minus 4 dz. Here singular point. Now you forget about this f of z. Only you consider this one. Integral over c f of 4z square plus z plus 5 by z minus 4 dz. Here singular point is given by z minus 4 is equal to 0. Z equal to 4. Z equal to nothing but what, sir? X plus I y is equal to 4 plus I0 you can write. So ordered pair x comma y is equal to x value 4, y value 0. 4 comma 0. On x axis only we have 2 units distance. So that is why 4 comma 0 lies outside the circle. Z equal to 4 lies outside the ellipse. Therefore directly you can write 4z square plus z plus 5 by z minus 4 dz equal to 0. Why? Because directly 0. Why? Because this point lies outside the circle. This is lies outside the ellipse. Outside the ellipse. Okay. So that is why. So therefore you get what, sir? F of 4 equal to 0. This is first answer. Now coming to second answer. I'll show you. To find f of y. Here also same like this. Put a equal to I in the given equation. F of y is equal to this one. You forget about this. You find. Singular point of this one is z equal to minus I. Z is equal to z minus I equal to 0. Z equal to I. Z equal to I lies inside the ellipse. Y here point is check here. On y-axis 3 unit distance. So positive side I, 2i, 3i. Negative side minus I, minus 2i, minus 3. So z equal to I lies inside the ellipse. So here which formula should we use? Cauchy's integral formula. Why? Because there is no power for denominator. So Cauchy's integral formula is integral over c f of z by z minus a dz is equal to 2 pi I into f of a. Here f of z is equal to numerator value 4z square plus z plus 5. Integral over c f of z by z minus a dz is equal to integral over c 4z square plus z plus 5 by z minus I into dz is equal to 2 pi I into f of I. F of I. 2 pi I into f of I is equal to 4i square plus I. F of z lo z equal to I substitute here. 4i square plus I plus 5. So 2 pi I into f of I value. I square minus 1 minus 4 plus I. So 2 pi I into I minus 4 plus 5. I plus 1. This is first answer. Now coming to third one. What is the third weight? Third weight? F dash minus 1. F dash minus 1 I will show here. F dash minus 1 I will show here. To find f of I. F of I is over. Sorry, this one is over. Now to find f dash minus I, we have same equation f of a is equal to this one. But here simple logic. Generally dash terms will come when the denominator has more than one power. But here no power, not more than one power is there. But even though he asked f dash a minus 1, some f double dash, something he asked here. For this you have to use the logic like this. F of a is equal to, this is you take as phi of z into z minus a. Now you forget about this. If a is interior point, if a lies inside the ellipse, integral over c phi of z z minus a dz you can write as 2 pi I into phi of z. 2 pi I into phi of a. When? If a lies inside the circle. This is f of a. Here I am using the technique f of a same as keep here. Integral over c phi of z by z minus a dz. If a is an interior point of the ellipse, then this is equal to, you can write this only power 1. That by Cauchy's integral formula you can write 2 pi I into phi of a. So f of a is equal to 2 pi I into phi of a. When? If a lies inside the circle. Now f dash minus 1, a equal to minus 1, f of minus 1, same integration will become z equal to z minus 1 equal to 0. So z is equal to 1. Here z equal to 1, singular point, z minus 1 equal to 0, that is z equal to 1 lies inside the ellipse. Therefore f of a equal to 2 pi I, this is the formula. F dash a is equal to 2 pi I, a is equal to, here I am taking minus 1 now, so this is the formula. So f dash a equal to, you differentiate both sides with respect to a, 2 pi I into 8a plus 1, a equal to minus 1 you substitute, a equal to minus 1 you substitute, 2 pi I into 8 into minus 1, minus 8 plus 1, 14 pi I, 7 plus 2, 7 into 2, 14 pi I. Similarly, you differentiate this once again with respect to a, so then you get f double dash minus I is equal to 2 pi I into 8a, means 8 you get, 8 to the 16 pi I. This is your answer. You have to be very careful.